welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to recover your wallet password. To recover your access wallet password, you will need your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the only one or the only key to access your funds. Here's another step-by-step procedure. Open the Exodus app. Tap on Recover Wallet option, which is usually located in the onboarding screen or within the app's settings. Enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Enter each word carefully, ensuring there are no typos. Create a new password for your wallet. Confirm your password. And your wallet will be recovered. You should now be able to access your funds. Important notes: never share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone. This includes customer support representatives. Thanks for watching.